This traditional colonial home is sprawling with space and is ready for you to make it yours. Welcoming front porch leads into a large family room with built-in bookshelves and a beam ceiling. Floor plan flows into the spacious family room and dining room, great for entertaining. Eat-in kitchen has incredible potential and offers a brick accent space, beam ceilings and access to screened porch. 3 ample-sized bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, hardwood flooring, and full basement, perfect for storage or expanding your finished living space. Oversized garage is a great option for the hobbyist to set up their workshop or build the gym of your dreams on the second floor. Settled on over an acre of land, you have a ton of space to build the outdoor entertaining space you've always wanted: a fire pit, patio, garden area. Whatever you need. Located just off Route 28 close to Bridgewater-Raynham High, Route 104, BSU, the T and more. Schedule your showing today.